Hi friends, this is Sulika Majumdar and today I am here to tell you what is the importance of doing exercise. So exercise has lot of benefit. It creates a positive impact in your body as well as in your mind. If you are suffering from any disease, any ailment, it helps your body to recover faster. So I'm not telling you to exercise all the day long or exercise for 2 3 hours. Even if you are exercising for at least 15 to 20 minutes, it is more than enough. It helps you to be positive. It makes your mind happy throughout the day. So in today's video, I'll show you few cardio exercise, very low impact cardio exercise, which are absolutely beginners friendly. Anybody who is new to exercise or but just want to do something for their body, they can do it very easily. So as you know that in India, most of the people are inside the house due to this coronavirus, and we are not able to move outside, and it's not safe as well. And if you have a little space in your house, just take out 15 minutes in the morning and do these exercises, and believe me, you will feel so good after you complete this. It will help you to stay positive throughout the day. So let's begin. Just follow all the instruction which I'll be giving you. Hands on your waist, and then one leg, this is my right leg, and start moving it clockwise. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Good, very good. And then anti-clockwise. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If you are not able to find balance, hold something and do it. Then change the leg. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So change the side, we'll do it anti-clockwise. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Very good. Now the second one is hold something. Okay, if you have something little elevated space, like I have a dining table just in front of me, hold it like this. Okay, go a little bit nearer, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and last one 10. Very nice. Now change the leg with our left leg. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Very good. Now we'll do squat. So I'll show you the side ways how it looks. Okay, so let's start it. 1, go as deep as you can. 2 3, it's not necessary to come all the way down, you can come till here. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Very nice. Now we will do a little wider stance. It's a sumo squat, and then start. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. So you can feel the ball inside the body right now. And now leg lift. 1, 2, change the sides. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. And then the next one is lunges, lateral lunges, and side to side. 1, we'll do it with one leg first. 2, 3, 4, keep your core engaged. 5, 6, 7, very good. 8, 9, very nice. 10. Now change the side. Do it with left leg. Core engaged. Back straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, very nice. 10. Yes, well done. You did it. Now 2 punches and 1 kick. Okay? So it goes like this. 1, 2, and 3. 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 Now change the side. We'll kick with our left leg. 1, 2, and 3. 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 Very good. Now we'll do some floor exercises. Most of them are for your belly. If you want to reduce few inches, few fat around your tummy area, then these floor exercises will help you. So let's sit on the mat. And this will also help you to increase the flexibility in the body. So what you need to do, lie down on your mat, elbows touching the mat, and then kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now change the leg. We'll do with left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will make a bridge. Bring your heel close to your hip, and then we will raise our hip up and down. Hands by your side. So it's like this. 1, up and then down. Up, down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we will hold the bridge for 20 counts. So raise it. Your core should be engaged, and then hold the position for at least 20 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Drop your hip on the mat and then hands in tabletop position like this, and then rotate your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we'll do it anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now change sides. Do it with your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Release. Now again, see how much I am sweating. Lie down on your mat. Now we'll do some crunches. So it is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. You must now we will do leg raise, but make sure while doing leg raise your back should be flat on the mat. There should not be any gap. Okay, so mind it, if there should not be any gap, your hand should not go inside the back. It should be flat on the ground. So hands by the side, or you can keep your hands just under your butt and legs straight, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Release it. Now bring your left leg close to the chest like this. Hold the leg and bring it close to the chest. Upper body should touch your knee. Release it. Then your left leg on the chest. Now release it. Then both the knees on the chest. Grab your legs like this, and then move your legs side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then release it. Now, so this comes the end of the round, first round. If there is any energy left in your body, so you can go for 2 more rounds or 1 more round, depending upon how much strength is left inside the body. So in 1 round only you can see me how much I am sweating. But these all are low impact exercises, doesn't have any running, jumping or hopping in all these exercises, but still you can feel that how much effective it is. It is absolutely for the beginners. So beginners, if you have still not started your exercise routine, then just do it, and I can guarantee you that after you complete your exercise, take out just 15 minutes time from your schedule and do it, and the rest of the day you will feel so energetic. You will have a positive impact on your mind and body. So just do it, and wait for my next video, which will be absolutely for the beginners. And until then, bye and take care.